Good morning to you. You'll be forgiven for thinking summer's gone forever, but it is coming back over the next 4 or 5 days. We start to see dry weather and hopefully some sunshine as well. This is tomorrow's chart. You can see an area of high pressure coming up from the south. That's the one that's going to eventually move to the east of the United Kingdom, and that's where it'll stay, and it'll hold these weather fronts at bay, not quite holding them far enough away though to stop some rain getting through Northern Ireland and parts of Scotland through Tuesday, perhaps even some more persistent rain again by the time we get to Wednesday, and then eventually that system moves out of the way, fresher air moves across us, but it should be a lot less windy and hopefully some dry conditions through both Thursday and Friday. Now the winds will get quite strong, initially from the west, but then coming in from the southwest, but from quite a warm direction, so they're going to lift the temperatures quite nicely, especially in some of the more sheltered eastern parts of Britain. We could see some quite high temperatures come the middle part of the week. They show very nicely on our temperature charts as these darker colour oranges. It then cools down somewhat as we move towards the end of the week, but summer certainly returning for many of us with more in the way of dry, fine weather. But we have some rain to get rid of. These were the rainfall totals we saw earlier this morning. Some quite hefty rain falling through the night, as much as an inch or so of rain falling in 6 hours in parts of Wales. Elsewhere we've seen some showery outbreaks of rain, and that just about sums it up really. Look at all that rain falling across parts of Scotland and the far north of England. We've had a little bit of cricket at Leeds, but the rain has returned, and lots of big showers developing across parts of England and Wales for the rest of today. So not much change, I'm afraid, than what we've got now, and still rather cold and miserable the eastern side of Scotland, not seeing temperatures much above 14 degrees, and very misty with outbreaks of rain for a good part of the day, but in the brightness perhaps 22 or 23. Overnight tonight, probably find those showery outbreaks of rain beginning to move out of the way. It should turn somewhat drier. Temperatures in the south, 12 to 16, in the north, 11 or 12. Then on to Monday's forecast. Well, much better day, I think, in general. Some showery rain affecting parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. Otherwise, a lot of fine and slightly warmer air. Then by the time we get to Tuesday, we'll see more of that rain in those western areas. But I think in eastern parts of England, eastern Scotland, we should see the sunshine and higher temperatures up to 25 or 26 degrees Celsius. Now, by Wednesday, almost a repeat story. Some of that rain getting a little bit further in, but otherwise, again, it's the eastern side of Scotland, East Wales and eastern England that gets away with the best of the dry weather and the best of the sunshine at 25 to 27, the top temperature. Then by Thursday, generally dry everywhere, bit of rain in the far northeast, and on Friday, more of the same. So hopefully, summer returning. Bye for now.